I'm LaDonna Parker, a member of the Keller Williams Agent Leadership Council, and HBREA stands for the Houston Black Real Estate Association. Our mission is democracy in housing. We believe that everyone should have an equal opportunity to own a home, invest in real estate, and pass on generational wealth through real estate. What does Keller Williams have to do with this event? Well, by being a sponsor and supporting local efforts to level the playing field and promote democracy in housing, that's what Keller Williams is doing here. And we are happy that on the ALC, we tell our agents, you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself, no matter where you come from.
Is the recipient of the Realtors of the Year is LaDonna Parker.
I am honored, humbled, and quite surprised. And we never lost sight of the mission. And the mission is democracy in housing and making sure that our people are represented no matter what. So I just want to say a special thank you to everyone that has supported me, and thank you again for this distinguished honor.